Welcome to our school. This is your school. Here we will give you a lot of information, because if you want to understand what you are doing on the horse, you have also to learn. And there is always something new to learn. It's never finished. You can never say, I know. The anatomy is also very, very important for us. We have to understand the engineering of the foot. We have to anticipate any problem. And only with knowledge you can maintain the feet in good condition, because you know exactly how to balance. The balance of the feet is the key of our work. When the horse is lame, when you feel something special, that's the time to say to the owner, now we need a diagnosis. When the vet gives a diagnosis, we have to know what he is talking about. Then we can help to cure the problem. Help the horses, help the owner, make everybody happy.
From distal to proximal, the first joint that we have is this joint here. It's called distal interphalangeal. We can actually palpate. This would be P1, if you can imagine the shape, P1. P2 would be in here, and then P3. All right, so we'll try to take the hoof out. Everybody's very quiet. When a horse loses a hoof, it can be and look like this. This is extremely sensitive, and we have the bone right underneath. There you go, yeah, good job. This is the annular ligament.
इसके कुछ पार्ट्स के बारे में पता है? ये है ST जो मेन।
The conformation is basically the way that the horses are built. The conformation of horse needs to be observed from different angles. You need to be able to observe it from the front, from the sides, and from the back. And that's very important for the farrier in order to shoe and trim the hoofs appropriately.
Even at that age, sometimes we have to work on the feet. The guy who is holding the baby is very, very important. He's nervous, he doesn't know what will happen. We have to make them confident. Here, the people, they don't take the feet. So when we come, they are very nervous, very anxious, because they have never been to school. If the baby go to school, every week they take the feet 1 or 2 times, then it will be easy. Look, he start to be very, very calm and confident. I go to the foot, and now I take the foot. Look, okay. Now I have the foot, I can take my knife, I can clean the foot, everything is fine.
डालो बना डालो।
Okay.
कहीं जाओ।
Okay. Now okay.
पीछे मत आए। Good baby. आयो पीछे No. बस no.
If they have no education, for us it's just a nightmare. There is a kind of education how to make them confident. You put the rope on their back. It takes time. It's not only in one lesson that you can really make them such easy. And some horses can accept this kind of schooling very fast. Sometimes it takes a few days. All these things, it's to make the horse more quiet during the trimming of the feet. They have to learn that there are some shock, some movement on the feet who are not usual for them. So step by step they will feel more confident because nothing is creating pain, nothing is hurting them. Step by step they become more and more confident. But everything you saw has to be done in the calm. No shouting, no creating the panic of the horse. We have to just cool him down and to make him more and more confident to the human being. Here, you are not very comfortable to work. You have to go on the knee.
Yeah.
Here, a little bit down. Oh. Yes, that's better. Now you can clean the sole. You see here, we have the sole and the frog together. Same, huh? And here you can see how deep you can go with the trimming, sorry. Up. This afternoon, we have organized a little test. This is to see what you have learned and maybe what is missing or what is a little bit weak or what we have to work a little bit more these next 2 days to make sure that the theory and the practical work are okay. For us, it's important to see if everything is well understood. It's important to try to fill all these pages as much as possible with what you have learned. The FAF is very proud of its Rajasthani school. The foundation role is to train farriers in countries where there is no chance of learning the crafts properly. Seeing our trainees, it is a great result and the FAF is very proud of it.